Our next caller, welcome to Jeffery Leving. This is the Jeffery Leving Father's Rights Legal Show.
Hello.
Hello, you're on the air.
Hi, I had a question regarding, pretty much the second half to that first question that our caller had regarding violence on the streets right now. I was wondering if you had a theory as to what the reason is behind that, the increase in the violence.
Well, my theory is the growth of father absence in our country. Fathers are becoming almost extinct in certain parts of the country, and children are growing up without a biological father in their lives, and this is having a terrible effect on children. I was speaking to Senator Barack Obama about this earlier before you called, and this is a big issue. Violence, and how do we protect our youth so they can go to school and not worry about being beaten up or shot. This is a terrible problem, but if we look at these statistics, we could see that 60% of rapists were raised in fatherless children, and gang and school violence is clearly a direct result of father absence, and 34% of all births in Illinois compared to 33% in the U.S. are out of wedlock, so that tells me there's a lot of father-absent children in this country, and I do appreciate you calling, because this is a very important issue affecting our society, and if we want to protect our youth, what I have to say to dads, step up to the plate and let's protect our youth, because the solution to stopping violence, gang activity, and school violence is to stop kicking fathers to the curb and pull them into positive relationships with their children. And thank you for calling, and if you want any other information on this important issue, you could look at Barack Obama's website, and you could also look at my website. My website is dadsrights.com, DADSRIGHTS, that's dadsrights.com, and Barack Obama's website, I have it right here in front of me, is barackobama.com/issues/family, and on Barack Obama's website you'll read important statistics concerning father absence, and if you look on page 4 on his website, you'll see that since 1960, the number of American children without fathers in their lives has quadrupled from 6 million to more than 24 million, and Barack Obama has reintroduced the Responsible Fatherhood and Healthy Families Act to remove some of the government penalties on married families, and also to help protect fatherhood, and as President, Barack Obama has committed to signing this bill into law. And thank you for calling. I appreciate your call. Do you have any other questions?
No, I think you pretty much answered it. Thank you very much for your time.
Well, thank you for calling.
Bye-bye.
Okay, since our last show, we received a number of questions, and I received emails and calls to my office, because apparently we couldn't get all the callers on during the last show. But one of the callers from the prior show who called me in my office asked, "What do? I have court-ordered visitation rights, but my child's mother still refuses to let me visit. What can I do?" Apparently, I want to answer that question, but apparently we're loaded with calls. But one thing you can do is call me, and I'll send you a free copy of the law criminalizing visitation interference, and that'll tell you your rights. 312-807-3999.